Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Engineer Nimaku. Have you ever wondered why birds don't get electrocuted on power lines? Sit back, relax, and let me show you why. I know you've been asking yourself why birds sit on a power line with high voltages are not being electrocuted. Some people also ask, do they have special feet? Is it some sort of magic or luck? Some say if you touch the same power line, it could be fatal. So, what's protecting these birds? Do they have insulated feet? This is a schematic diagram showing how electricity flows through wires. If you want your bulb to light, current must flow from the batteries to the diodes through the bulb for it to light and back to the batteries. So, the principle is that since both feet are touching the wire at the same time, they have the same electrical voltage. Voltages on the left foot is equal to the voltage on the right foot, making current nearly zero in this situation. But if another bird touches a different wire, the bird creates a pathway for current to flow through it and the other wire, making it fatal for that bird. I'm gonna need you to focus on the right picture, not the left one. Power line workers also use the same principle in working on power lines. They bring themselves to the same potential voltage as the wire. Birds, like eagles, are also greater risk of being electrocuted because their wings are so large that they could touch other wires when they step on power lines. That birds are not safe because electricity avoid it. They are safe because electricity has no reason to flow through them. Like I always say, physics explains the world around us. Thank you for watching my video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share for more physics videos. Bye.